Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 29th of December. And first of all, national news. Ayodhya's new airport to be named after Maharishi Valmiki. A report said Neena Singh is first woman chief of CISF that manages airport security. Sardine run. Thousands of fish surface near Goa beach in rare event. 5,000 chickens burnt in fire in Himachal's Hamirpur. New airport reflected Ayodhya's ethos. Inauguration in 2 days. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the new airport in Ayodhya on December 30. The Sports Ministry on Sunday suspended the WFI. Reliance Jio is very excited to offer 5G private networks, Akash Ambani said. Big relief for 8 Indian Navy veterans on death row in Qatar. Delhi police issued traffic advisory for New Year's Eve. And now some international news. Total outrage. 2 Russians jailed for poetry against Ukraine war. World Bank explained why Pakistan's economic development ineffective limited. 6.3 magnitude earthquake jolted Japan's Kuril Islands. No deaths reported. Former Microsoft CEO Steve Ballmer is currently the sixth richest person globally. Russian students are learning a controversial version of US history as per a report in Newsweek. Now, some sports news. Formula E is staged around the world and in iconic world cities including Tokyo, Berlin, and London. Junior Indian hockey team continues to make remarkable strides in global arena. Irony is dying. Ex India star on Afghanistan trio not getting IPL NOCs. AFC Cup Odisha Football Club to face Asian Zone champions in inter-zone semi-finals. And business related news. Apple resumed sale of watches after appeals court lifted US ban. Startup story set for better script in new year after unicorns funds fall in 2023. Investors' wealth climbed rupees 12.80 lakh crore in 5 days. Housing sales rose 31% in 2023 to record 4.77 lakh units in top 7 cities. RBI Deputy Governor flagged banks' tendency to depend on bulk deposits. RBI to act early to prevent risk to India's growth potential. Shakti Kant Das. Nifty Sensex ended at fresh highs for second day as RIL ITC Airtel gain. Science related news. Researchers developed vaccine to lower bad cholesterol by 30%. Nature's subtle clues could provide vital years of advance notice before fiery eruptions. Hubble captured outstretched arms of spiral galaxy about 100 million light years away. And that's all in news. Thank you.